put it by your stand just so it can stand out. Could do. Yeah, so you do it on the actual spike. We're seeing the way. Yeah.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the annual run 2022. Fantastic weather. Breakfast packs are available for those of you just arriving. And the next top tour will take place at 10 o'clock. Have a wander around, something to eat, something to drink, and go and look at the cross.